Welcome to Best Choice. The Best 80 Grit Files is probably one of the most essential tools in any nail care kit, especially for those who love acrylics, gels, or even just need to shape and shorten their natural nails quickly. These files are known for their aggressive nature, making quick work of tough materials, but with great power comes great responsibility. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 80 Grit Files, exploring their uses, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. TsMADDTs Nail Files and Buffers Manicure Kit. This professional kit includes nail files and buffer blocks. It contains 6 nail files with 180 grit and 6 buffer blocks. This set is perfect for achieving salon-quality nails at home. The nail files are made with high-quality EVC and emery board materials. The 100 grit side is perfect for filing and roughing up hard nails, while the 180 grit smooths the edges. It's designed for durability and effective nail care. With the 180 grit nail file, you can easily shape and smooth your nails. It's great for removing ridges and glue, saving you money from salon visits. This kit allows you to create beautiful nails effortlessly. The buffer blocks are made of high elastic sponge materials. They come in 6 colors: green, orange, blue, yellow, purple, and pink. Use them to polish and smooth your nails without causing damage. These manicure tools are suitable for all types of nails. Whether you have natural, acrylic, or false nails, this kit is perfect. It's ideal for anyone who loves nail art and wants professional results. What we like. This kit offers both nail files and buffer blocks, providing a complete solution for various nail care needs. The different grits allow you to shape and smooth nails effectively. If you're looking for a comprehensive set to achieve professional-looking results at home, this is a great choice. What people say. This set works beautifully on both natural nails and acrylics. The files have just the right amount of grit without being harsh, and the buffers smooth everything out with very little effort. The double-sided emery boards are made with high-quality materials, ensuring they can handle tough nails while providing a smooth finish. Whether you're working with natural nails, acrylics, or false nails, this kit has everything you need to shape, buff, and polish with ease. Number 4. Makartt 80 Grit Nail File. These professional nail files are a must-have for any manicure. Share this set with your family, friends, and even your pets. It's a great addition to any nail care kit. The coarse grit of this file makes it perfect for removing acrylic, dip powder, and poly extension nails. It's designed for artificial nails and can handle carving flowers and rhinestone glue. Remember, it should not be used on natural nails. Each file is perfectly sized and shaped for easy handling. The curve helps you file the sides of the nail, and the rounded edge is great for the cuticle area. If you prefer not to use a nail drill, this file will get the job done. This file is built to last for personal use and can be washed and reused. Its robust construction prevents bending. It's also great for pet owners. This is a must-have tool for professional salons or at-home nail art. Because it is a very rough file, extra care should be taken when using it. It may still be a little rough even for artificial nails. What we like. These files are designed with a coarse 80 grit, perfect for removing acrylic and gel nails. The ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and maneuver. If you're a nail tech or someone who frequently removes artificial nails, this file will be your go-to tool. What people say. They work great for acrylic nails. These files are great for shaping and smoothing the edges of acrylic nails. They are very durable and last a long time. Number 3. Makartt Nail File, Professional Nail Files. This professional nail file is perfect for shaping, grinding, smoothing, and polishing nails. It helps you achieve your desired nail shape and length, while also giving them a beautiful shine. It's great for removing nail gels too. The 100 grit side is ideal for filing and roughing up hard nails. The 180 grit side smooths the nail edges. This dual grit design makes it suitable for various nail care needs. Made with high-quality materials, this nail file is durable and provides a comfortable experience. You can see results immediately with just light pressure, and it won't bend. It's also reusable and easy to clean. These nail filers work quickly to trim or shape acrylic nails. They are also perfect for removing poly nail gel and artificial nails. It's suitable for both manicure, pedicure, and even pet grooming. It's a must-have for professional salons or at-home nail art. It's a terrific gift for anyone who loves nail art. You can keep your nails perfect anytime, anywhere with this handy tool. What we like. Featuring a 100-180 grit, this file is ideal for shaping and smoothing nails. Made with premium materials, it ensures a comfortable and effective experience. If you want a versatile file for both shaping and finishing, this is a great option for you. What people say. They are quick and easy to use and last a long time. They are thick enough so I'm able to apply pressure and not have the board bend or break. The grit is quality, doesn't feel cheap or shed. Number 2. Nail file for acrylic nails 12 PCS. These nail files are made with top quality raw material. They are designed with a square shape and double sides, providing a comfortable nail experience. The emery boards are long-lasting, sturdy, and thick. The sanding paper is washable and can be submerged in water, saving you time and money. Each nail file is 7.1 by 1.1 by 0.18 inches. This thick nail file is durable and sturdy, and it won't bend easily. These 80/80 grit nail files shape acrylic and poly nails, and can also remove nail gel. However, it's not suited for natural nails. For false, artificial, or acrylic nails, choose 60/60, 80/80, or 100/100 grit. For natural nails, use 100/180 or 180/240 grit. The higher the number, the finer the surface. These nail files are suitable for both salon professionals and home users. They are easy and effective to use, making your nails more beautiful. What we like. These files are designed with a square shape and are made with thick, durable materials. The washable design ensures long-lasting use. If you are a nail art lover at the salon and home, you should consider this. What people say. Very rough and sharp. These are amazing for shaping nails whether it's gel or acrylic. It is the perfect grit, but I would not use it on your natural nails. They are extremely sturdy, quality file, disposable, and a fair price. I buy these in bulk because I use them so much. Great for beginners or seasoned nail techs or nail enthusiasts. Die Nagelfilen sind von sehr guter Qualität, robust, Langlebig und mit der Kornung 100-100 ideal Zoom cousin und Fermen von Kunstnageln sowie dicken Eternageln. Number 1. 12 PCS nail files for acrylic nails. These nail files are made with top-quality adhesive tape and emery board materials, ensuring they are not easy to bend. The diamond shape and double sides provide a comfortable nail-doing experience. This set features 240-240 double-sided grit, perfect for natural nails. It's a must-have tool for both salon and home use. These files are quick and easy to clean with water, allowing for long-lasting use. The Korea-made sandpaper is wear-resistant and reusable, ideal for various nail treatments. At a perfect size, these emery board nail files are great for filing nails before any nail treatment. It's easy and effective to use, removing ridges on your nail surface. These nail files perfectly meet all your filing needs, making them essential for professional salons and DIY nail art. They also make a perfect gift for anyone who loves nail art. What we like. With a fine 240-240 grit, this file is perfect for smoothing natural nails. The diamond shape and high-quality materials provide a comfortable experience. If you like to have a perfect manicure, this is a must-have tool for you. What people say. Use these to help remove my gel nails. Works great to file the top layer before soaking with acetone. They don't wear down quickly either. Nail files designed for shaping and refining acrylic nails with precision. Made from high-quality abrasive materials to ensure even, controlled filing without damaging the surface. These are professional grade, but I use them at home. It's the second time in about 4 years that I've bought them. I like these because they are long, well made and work well on my type of nails. I like that they are curved a bit like your nail naturally is. I also like that I can get a good grip on them when using. These work very well on both sides for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.